Alright guys, got a quick little video for you on a 2015 Honda Civic on how to reset your service engine soon light. I just changed the oil. This is my wife's Civic. And I'll link in the description a video on how to change the oil and stuff in it. But this is the video just on how to reset the light that comes on your dash. So what you're going to use is you're going to use your menu button, your plus and minus, which will be your up and down button, your source button to select, and your information button. So I'll turn the key on so you can see what it's doing when it comes on. So this is the warning that you get up on your dash, and to clear it out you just hit the down there at the bottom it says next, just hit your information button to exit. So that'll be this button right here. You hit it, it clears, sorry about that, it clears out the screen. And then next you go down to your menu button, you hit it, and it brings this up, and you'll do your plus and minus right there, which are these right here to go up to select, and then you hit this to select. So we'll go up here to select vehicle information and hit your source, your center button on there, and you hit your source again, the center button, to select the maintenance info. And then it says for you to hit the source button again to reset it, the middle button. Would you like to reset maintenance information? And you go down and hit yes with your minus button. Maintenance information has been reset. So it shows your engine oil life at 100%. It says down at the bottom you hit your menu to exit. So we'll go down here to our menu button, and it comes back to your normal screen again. Hope this helped you guys out. Like I said, I just shot a video on how to change the oil in a 2015 Civic, how to take all the parts off and put everything in. So hope this helped you guys out, and God bless. Please like, subscribe, and ring that notification bell. Thank you guys.